Hey, what's up, Pundix holders? So this is the latest update of Pundix coin to what's going on in this time in the Pundix. Let's get started this brand video. I request you, my brother, to please click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification if you are new on our channel. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for this type latest updates and news. My friend, this time you can see here in the last 1 hour chart, it's already on the screen. So this is the latest change occur. You can see here plus 2.44% change occur as in positive, my friends. So this is very good news for Pundix holder. Today starting moving up again now, and the change occur as in positive, and this is the second week of this month. So my friend, I think they start jump now. But definitely, my friend, the last 1 hour, the last 7 days chart is also very important, my friend, to what's going on in the first 7 days chart, because this is the first week of this month. So everybody try to understand this is very important. Yes, oh my goodness, you can see here, my friend, in the first week of this month they completely falls down. So what's the big reason, my friend, today falls down in the start of month? There are two big reasons, my friend. The first big reason is that this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency has falls down in the start of month, and therefore minus 10.55% they falls down. But definitely, my friend, you can see here, if you remember the last 1 hour chart, then absolutely change occur is in positive, and 2% just in 1 hour they take a change. So I think, my friend, in upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket. And don't see this chart, my friend, the price is very badly falls down, but I hope, my friend, in the second week they recover at and they hit again 3.5 US dollar. So what's the reason, my friends, today falls down? The second reason is that, my friends, to people starting selling. If the people starting selling, then absolutely, especially short time investing starting selling, then absolutely they falls down, the price is going down. Absolutely, my friend. So kindly hold it, don't sell it. If you hold it, then absolutely they move up like a rocket and they give you very good profit at the end of this month. So hold it. My opinion is that to please hold it and wait for a good time, wait for the end of this month. Especially if you are a long time investor, then wait for 2022. But if you are a short time investor, then wait just for at the end of this month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest views and updates.